In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock elements in PowerPoint so they can't be moved. This is a handy trick for ensuring the integrity of your slide designs, especially when you want to safeguard your layout from accidental shifts during editing or a presentation. Let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the PowerPoint icon in your Start menu or dock, depending on your operating system. Once PowerPoint is up and running, head over to the presentation you'd like to work on. If it's stored locally, you can open it through the File menu by choosing Open. If it's saved on a cloud service like OneDrive or SharePoint, make sure you're connected to the internet and then navigate through the Open tab to access it. Now that you have your presentation open, decide which elements you want to lock into place. These could be images, text boxes, shapes, or any other objects you've set on your slides. Click directly on the object you have in mind. This selection will highlight it, showing that it's ready for any actions you want to perform. With the object selected, go ahead and right-click on it. This action reveals a context menu full of options for managing and customizing the object. Among these options, look for and choose Lock. It's worth noting that the lock option is a relatively new feature integrated into PowerPoint to make editing more seamless, minimizing the risk of accidental alterations to your designs. By locking an object, you ensure that the position and size remain unchanged, giving you peace of mind as you continue adding content or making further adjustments to other parts of your presentation. If you find that you need to move or modify your locked object later, you can simply select the object again, right-click and choose Unlock from the same menu. This temporarily removes the constraints, allowing you to edit as needed before reapplying the lock if necessary. This kind of control is especially useful in collaborative environments where multiple people might be editing the presentation at different times, ensuring everyone's additions or edits align perfectly with your original design. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your slides and create clean, professional presentations that won't accidentally get altered during editing sessions. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to lock elements in PowerPoint. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity.